Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all having a great day, and it's New Year's Eve, so I'm not going to waffle on too much, but I just wanted to come on before this video and just say thank you very much to all the subscribers for all the support throughout this year. The channel has been going really well, really pleased with how this year's gone. We are just shy of 1 million views in total now, which is absolutely phenomenal. Almost 4,000 subscribers, so if you can do me a favour, I think as I'm recording this we're 30 short of 4,000 subs. That would be absolutely amazing to hit 4,000 in 2019, so there's 30 to go. So if you're watching this, please consider hitting that subscribe button, because there's lots of cool stuff coming up next year. And yeah, and this year has just been phenomenal. Obviously started out with finishing off Project Kit, and then Project Sprout's come along. We started Project ERA, and there's loads more planned for next year. Some slight change of plans. So Project Sprout, I think, will be my IMM car now, so I'm going to do IMM next year. It will be done by then, be done way before then, but it just seemed like an ideal car to do it in. It's an MPI Mini, it's got that long diff, it should be nice for a drive down to Germany. So yeah, and I'm sure there'll be loads of more exciting stuff next year. So like I say, please consider subscribing. Thank you to all the people that have subscribed, left comments throughout the years. There's too many to name, you know who you are. Just thank you very much. And this year, as I say, it's been great for the channel. 2,500 additional subscribers this year. There's been 340,000 views on the videos, I think, and somehow, I don't know how, I've managed to film, edit and upload 135 videos, which is more than 2 a week on average. I don't know how to do that. When I think about it, filming, editing, uploading, there's probably 3 hours in each video, so on average, so that's quite phenomenal. Yeah, top video of the year, if you've not seen it, was the classic mini restoration Project Kit, the time lapse. I'll put a link or a card in somewhere around here maybe. So if you haven't seen that, go and have a look. That's the whole Project Kit, basically crammed into 30 minutes, which is what I'll do when we do the ERA as well, and I'll probably do the same with Sprout. So yeah, I'm not going to waffle on too much. Let's get into today's video. It's quite an exciting one today because we're going to spray the engine bay. In fact, you get a sneak preview down here, and you can see what's coming up as well. So in true classic mini workshop fashion, I was going to take the subframe out, give it a quick clean off, put it back in. You know how it goes. I always get too involved, and that's probably one reason why I'm going to be keeping Sprout, I think. So yeah, just thank you very much. Have a great evening. Really hope you enjoyed New Year's Eve, and really looking forward to having your support coming into the new year. So once again, thank you very much. Cheers. Right, well there we go, all painted. I did think it looks too dark, and I'm not 100% sure. I have double checked the paint code, but I don't know whether it just looks too dark because there's barely any paint under the bonnet of an MPI Mini, or whether it is genuinely a shade too dark. When I look at the rest of the car, it does look too dark, but it's 20-odd-year-old paint, so it will have faded a bit. So I don't know, I'm not too worried, because like I say, the bulkhead insulation will go in, all the engine will go in, and you'll see very little of the green, and it's under the bonnet as well. I don't think you'd see if it was a shade too dark, but it might not be. It might just be that, like I say, the paintwork's faded on the outside and they don't put a great deal of paint under the bonnet. Obviously the paint's a bit thin up this top end, but it doesn't really matter because that's all behind the bulkhead insulation, so I'm not too worried about that. But it's done the job. It's probably better than it was from factory. There's more paint on there anyway. Yeah, next step's get subframe in and start putting it all back together, I guess.